It doesn't happen very often, but we've got some interesting news for the world of muzzleloading. It appears that Kibler's Longrifles, kind of famous now for their CNC, semi-mass produced, and very nice quality, very fine quality long rifle kits, is working on releasing a Kibler Hawken Kit. But earlier today we saw on the muzzleloading forum user W Seidel, and we'll have a link to this thread down in the description of the video for you to check out yourself. Forum user W Seidel shared that he just spoke to Jim Kibler about the possibility of offering a Hawken rifle kit because there's so much interest in this rifle in the muzzleloading community. As we're all aware, he presently offers two styles, the Colonial rifle and the Southern Mountain rifle, and is working on a smoothbore Fowler. Super excited about the possibility and the knowing that there's a smoothbore Fowler coming from Kibler. I think this is going to be a great addition to the kit market. According to the forum post, Mr. Kibler has hinted that it is extremely likely that the Hawken may be the next kit on his list. If this Hawken kit moves ahead, maybe available as soon as a year and a half. So that's that 18-month window that we're hearing about. W. Seidel goes on to say that he first built a Thompson Center Hawken kit in 1979 and he cherishes the rifle but would like to see the quality of a Kibler Hawken kit brought to market to, add to that kind of next generation of Hawken kits. We reached out to Kibler Longrifles to confirm what this forum post was saying, and thankfully they got back to us. We know it's been a super busy time for them this year. The kit markets just across the board have exploded, so we're very thankful that they got back to us. They said that the Hawken kit is definitely on their list, and it's something that they're working on bringing into production, but the time frame is just anyone's guess right now is pretty much what we heard back. So it's not that 18-month time window that I think a lot of us would have been super excited for, but the efficiency at which they're running on adding these new kits, I mean, the Southern Mountain Rifle kit is still fairly new, and the Fowler kit is on its way. Hopefully sometime next year we can start seeing some of those hit the market and seeing some of those put together. So it's not that 18-month time window, but they are really interested in developing a Hawken kit. I've recently finished, if you've been watching the videos, we finished a St. Louis Hawken kit from Traditions, and I mean, as a lot of people are aware, it's not the most historically accurate kit as far as Hawkens go. So it's exciting to hear that Kibler's looking at offering something that a Hawken kit, I really believe will be super accurate and as accurate as he can make it. The other rifles, the Colonial and the Southern Mountain Rifle, and I hope to see some of the Fowler soon, but are kind of touted for it at how accurate they are to the to the original rifles. The machining process is dramatically different now compared to those original rifles, but he's able to use that modern technology and bring it in to these older designs and really update them and really, I think, change the kit market. I mean, his kits are a bit more expensive than something like our Traditions kit, but you're getting a really nice rifle, something that would take really an experienced builder to do for somebody like me who can't build one of those. So it's super exciting to hear this Hawken kit might be coming out soon. If it releases on time, which I have no reason to expect that it won't, you're looking at that lining up right with the 200th anniversary of the original Hawken rifles. The NMLRA is working on several things to kind of commemorate that because Hawkens are huge in muzzleloading. I mean, this is really exciting to hear that we're getting kind of another element of, maybe not necessarily a revival, but maybe another resurgence closer to what we saw at the bicentennial. I mean, Hawkens are just huge. Almost everybody's first muzzleloader was some kind of Hawken. So, things are really lining up here to be, I think, really exciting in the next few years for muzzleloaders. Would you be interested in a Kibler Hawken kit? Let us know down in the comments. If not, what other kind of kits would you like to see brought to market that aren't really available now? I mean, Hawkens are really big on the market, but what kind of other muzzleloaders would you like to see Kibler and some of the other kit manufacturers bring out? We'd love to hear what you'd like to see, and I'm always itching to do some more research. So if you got something super weird, let me know. I'd love to take a deep dive into it. Muzzle Blasts will be watching this story closely. Jim has been really gracious to Muzzle Blasts and NMLRA. During our last class there in August, he made sure that everybody that was signed up for the class got their kit and had it in time. to go for that class. So, and we're really excited about our next class to build a Kibler long rifle. It's currently full here coming up in March, but if you're interested in hearing more about the future of these kits and more kits from Kibler Long Rifles, be sure to follow them on social media. Muzzle Blasts will be right there as much as we can to publish as soon as we know about these things. So give us a follow, NMLRA.org. You can find up-to-date information there. If you're interested in some of the other classes and even the next Kibler Long Rifle class that we're working on planning now, visit NMLRA.org/education. You can fill out a simple form, put down your name and your email address, and you'll be the first to know about the next traditional craft classes from the NMLRA. Thank you.